I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. After highs in the 70s this afternoon and slight fire concerns in the central and west, highs tomorrow are in the mid-80s to the low 90s underneath the dome of high pressure. Widespread near critical fire weather conditions return with wind gusts of 35 out of the south tomorrow and from the north on Sunday and Monday. A cold front moving through Sunday leads to highs northwest to southeast, ranging from the mid-60s to the mid-70s. Scattered rain is possible Sunday night with a disturbance tracking east. Monday, our coolest day of the next week, with highs in the low to mid-60s. Southerly winds ahead of low pressure, warmer highs to around 70 on Tuesday, in the mid-70s to around 80 for Wednesday and Thursday. As weak low pressure moves east, could see some spotty rain for Wednesday through Thursday. Many areas, though, likely to stay dry over the next week. Mild to warm weather looks to continue in our long-term forecast. Temperatures for Nebraska, Kansas, along with the central and western U.S., very likely to be warmer than normal Wednesday through April 24th. Rain chances don't really improve, with near normal to slightly below normal rainfall predicted Wednesday through April 24th for Nebraska and Kansas. Soil temperatures this morning at 7 and 4 inches down are as cool as the upper 30s in north central Nebraska. Most of our soil temperatures are in the low 40s. Eastern and southern Kansas have soil temperatures in the mid-40s. Key weather factors influencing the markets include the continuation of flooding across the mid-south and midwest, western wheat areas of the southern plains dealing with drought, and rains decreasing across second crop corn areas of Brazil. The crest of the Ohio River near Tell City, Indiana, is the highest water level since March of 97. The White River at Petersburg, Indiana, remains nearly steady at nearly 12 feet above flood stage, the highest since January of 2005. Tomorrow morning, frost and freezes affect the lower Midwest, possibly extending south of the Ohio River into Kentucky and nearby areas. Much of the U.S. experiences a period of mostly dry weather. The exception is with some rain and snow from the northern Rockies into the upper Great Lakes. Late in the weekend and early next week, warmer than normal air across the western and central U.S. is briefly tempered, only to return later next week. The central and southern plains, mostly dry weather, helps with field work and some planting, while developing wheat continues to see decreasing soil moisture. In Brazil, scattered rain is only providing a slight benefit to second crop corn and lower than normal soil moisture. Concerns are increasing going into corn pollination, with rains typically decrease even more later this month in Brazil. Towards Argentina, maturing corn and soybeans are benefiting from a drier forecast. There could be a few delays to the Argentina harvest with occasional rain. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.